Hi everyone, first of all thank you so much for all your support. I'm blown away by all your messages and all the love, and just having you there means the absolute world to me. This is a quick video just to bring everyone up to speed on where we've got to with Black 3, and I want to thank you amazing, awesome, beautiful beta testers who for the past few weeks have been playing with Black 3, letting us know what you like, what you don't like, what you want us to change and what you don't want us to change. And I'm going to later on reveal what the mystery scent is and show you the final version of Black 3 that we finished this morning. I've been running around the studio holding it up against every black thing I can find, and it is the blackest thing I have seen in my whole life. For those of you who don't have the foggiest clue what I'm on about 2 years ago we took on the mission of trying to make a really matte super black paint for artists to use, so that all artists, well apart from that one guy, could use it to make their work and make really good things. It'd be affordable and be usable, and we came up with Black 2, an ultra matte paint. Since then, tens of thousands of artists all over the world have been using it. Others have been using it in telescopes, in cameras, in photo studios. There's so many amazing, mind-blowing uses of Black 2 going on. You can see all of those on Instagram on the hashtag #ShareTheBlack. Anyway, since we made Black 2, we knew we could do better. And we've been working tirelessly for about the last year and a half to make Black 3, a true nano black that used brand new technology that meant artists could actually use a super black in their work like nothing else. Black 2 absorbed about 96% of light. Black 3, we're seeing 98 or 99%, and you can apply it with a paintbrush and it's affordable, and we are blown away. So for you lovely beta testers, let me explain what we did. You all got different paints. Don't worry, no one got a placebo or anything like that, but you got different variants, different strains of Black 3. Some of them were super pigmented, others were incredibly durable. Some of them were just really matte. Some of them were actually quite shiny. And what we did was we compiled all your thoughts. Thank you for filling in the questionnaire, by the way, super useful, amazing ideas, absolutely awesome. We've compiled all of that and we've taken on board what you want us to make, and we've now got to a stage where in this bottle here, I have the first amount of Black 3, and it is absolutely phenomenal. So this ping pong ball here was painted with Black 2, and you can see it's very matte, it reflects almost no light. It looks amazing, it paints on just about anything, but we knew we could make it blacker. So here it is, the big reveal I suppose. This is the first look at the final version of Black 3 on a ping pong ball, and it is incredibly black. But it's not just incredibly black, we've made it really improve the durability on this. We've made it easy to apply, we've made it smell great, we've made it absolutely non-toxic, and it's absolutely brilliant. So many of you are already using Black 3 in art. I wasn't even expecting that. We've seen some amazing work being made, some incredible comparisons, and it's very exciting. One particularly amazing video is on YouTube, and it's by the Action Lab. It is absolutely phenomenal. If you haven't seen it, you must check it out. I'll put a link to it somewhere below. I'm going to just tell you what the scents were in your bottles, because you've probably been thinking, what was it? So if you, I've got a note of it here, if you got CH38510 or CH51789, then your Black 3 smelled of cinnamon buns. And if you got CH12356 or CH48228, your Black 3 smelled of coffee. Now the result from the survey was that you guys preferred the coffee. So Black 3 will smell of coffee. Other things that we learned from the questionnaire that I think you'd be interested to hear: 85% of you love Black 2 and you use it regularly in your work, but over a half of you did think it could be blacker. And of course we agree, and that's what we've been working on. So it's phenomenal to say that over 90% of you preferred Black 3 to black 2, and your only real comments where you wanted it to be more durable and you wanted a way better consistency. Well, the good news is we've absolutely nailed that, so I feel like we're there. So what happens next is we're going to take this to the paint factory and we're going to get them to help us formulate a larger batch that I can share with all of you. It's not something we can make in our studio at the moment. It's way beyond us. It's too complicated. So that'll take a few weeks, and then as soon as we've got that, I'm going to let you know, and then you can come and you can use it. If you haven't added your email address in on the website on the Black 3 page, please do. That is the wait list. That means that you're going to get it first. I don't know how much we'll be able to make. It's going to take time. So get in the queue if you want to use it, please, or you'll miss out. For those of you that helped us make this, you lovely beta testers, keep your eyes on your email inbox. You're going to get an email before anyone else in the world, and you're going to get early access to this. We want you to have it first. It's really important to us. There'll be a mega discount, and we'll say thank you in a proper way, because without you believing in this, this would never have happened. We're finally at a moment in time where all artists can have a black that they could never imagine using. And it just shows the power of what happens when we come together, decide to change things and make something happen. Guys, I love you so much. Keep in touch. I love hearing from you. For now, all my love, and enjoy Black 3 when you get it.